to turn off keyboard shortcuts on Gmail PC. Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to disable keyboard shortcuts on Gmail easy and fast. All what you have to do is go to Gmail. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top and click on settings icon right here. Now click on see all settings right here, and it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find many options. Scroll down until you find the keyboard shortcuts right here, as you can see. Now click keyboard shortcuts off and it will be turned off successfully. Now go down and click save changes. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.